Alright, y'all. Just coming into Dumas, Texas. Gonna go check out another wash here. It's close by. I'm looking for 12th Street. So there's 18. So I have to go 6 more. Jack's Car Wash. There's actually like quite a few of these locations in the Dalhart and Dumas areas. There's a tunnel right here, but we're gonna go to the in bay that's like right next to it. Don't know why they're like 2 standalone buildings, but that's just how it is. So yeah, I figured I'd film another one of these, and this one actually has dryers. Oh, there's only 2 wash options. And it says exact change only. I'll probably come back to do the tunnel sometime, and there's also another Jack's location here in Dumas that also has a similar setup. Okay, trying to get my thumbnail, trying to get the camera straight. It's a little wonky. There we go. So apparently you only have 10 and 12. That's nice. I gotta see if I have it. I think I have exact change. If it doesn't accept my 10, I'm gonna have to use my card, I think. Oh, it took it. We're all set. So the tread will move apparently. Dura Shield. And know our spot free. Hopefully get the driver started up this time. Another solid Dumas system at least. I got my car too wet from the machine stopping right in line with my passenger and driver side windows. They sound similar to the old ID stage dryers too. Doing okay. Not the greatest. Hello. I think the tunnel is like a mini Sunny's now that I look at it from this angle. It's hard to tell from Google Street View. Well, it seemed like a decent wash. I'll pick up the filming in Colorado Springs because I don't know. There's more stuff there that I want to check out. I thought about doing one in Dalhart, but I might do that next time. Well, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoy it. Wrong lever, and that'll be it.